He has faced a lot of criticism since morning about his comment that he had made yesterday. When we spoke to earlier this morning over the phone, he said that he had been misinterpreted. We are now joined by Abhijit Mukherjee, MP from Jongipur. Sir, you were saying that you were misinterpreted. Could you please elaborate what exactly was the context in which you made your comment?
I was asked by one of the reporters on my comment on 2 or 3 persons from Calcutta or Bengal. They have gone there and took part in this agitation, and the same persons, they didn't do anything, not uttered a single word once this Park Street or some other rape case happened in Bengal and Calcutta, where government administration took actions little late. And he asked me what is your comment about that. I said that person who didn't do this, and when government of India or other Delhi government has taken prompt action, rapists were arrested, victim was hospitalized and taken care of. So what is the utility of these persons of going there and taking part in that agitation once they failed in their own home state? So with this backdrop, then I was asked by some other question, I do not know if it's been recorded or not, that do you feel, what is the comment about that agitation? Is it students' agitation? So I said that students, I don't think so students' agitation, because students, I know what students look like.
Right.
Students look like. Generally, what they mean to say, that what I mean to say, that students' agitation means maximum participants should be from the student community. Maybe school, may not be school, but generally college, university, even postdoc. Some people whom I saw, they're giving interview, looking quite aged, not like student. They may be MPhil student or a doctorate student. A. B. Generally, I have seen the students. I'm not justifying my uttering. I'm not justifying the backdrop. I'm telling you. So they do not go with high makeup.
So you are skeptical about the elements that are present in the agitation. Not all of them are students. That's what you are saying. But the controversy is not regarding that. The controversy is regarding the wording of what you said, or rather what you meant to say, and it came out as something different. So do you regret now that certain comments like wearing makeup or going to the discotheque, that has painted a wrong picture? Would you regret that you made such a comment?
Comment I have made is no doubt, and the backdrop was something else.
But do you regret it now?
Definitely, because it's a harsh sentiment of people.
You could have worded it better?
I could have worded it better, or not even at all uttered these words or this thing. Or rather, I could have reserved my comment on that. Since it has created a lot of controversy and hurts people's sentiment, through you I also apologize to those people, all the stakeholders whose sentiment got hurt by this uttering, and I withdraw these words, these sentences, which is not meant to hurt anyone. Intention was not to hurt anyone.